Hello again! Today we're going to follow the steps to create a new project request. From the dashboard screen, click on the link Start a new request. The first thing to fill in are the tags that give a name to your project. If the tags are already in the system, once you type it, it will appear under your search area. You can just select it and it will be added to the naming section. If a tag is not yet created, you can add it to the system by selecting the category you want it linked to. In this case, project name. Add a due date for the project. It's not mandatory, but nice to have, and you can change this later. Include attachments if these will be helpful for the project. Just drag and drop or search on your computer. If you realize the file was not correct, you can delete it at this time. You can also include extra attachments later in the process. Finally, write down some details about the request and hit Save. One note about the details section is that it cannot be edited, so make sure this is descriptive enough. Once the project is saved, you will be able to do three things. Create a totally new one, create a copy of the one you just created, or navigate it to see the details of the project. Now your first project is in the system. Cheers and have a good day!